Hello everyone and welcome. Here we're going to dive in and talk about the big picture of celiac disease. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disease of the small intestine and possesses an adaptive immune response that is triggered by the ingestion of gluten. The physiology of CD is fairly well known. Ingesting gluten begins the internal fight between the host's immune system and the ingested gluten-containing food. The body reacts to the foreign material it does not recognize, and a cascade of responses begins with the end result to eliminate the consumed gluten. As stated previously, individuals who develop CD are genetically predisposed. However, research is investigating and showing that the development of CD goes far beyond just being genetically predisposed. Multiple environmental factors play a significant role in the onset of the autoimmune disease. Research suggests an association between diet, birthing delivery mode, early antibiotic usage, breastfeeding, and more. If an individual knows a relative in the family that has CD, it is important to be tested. Although there is no cure for CD, there are treatment options to help decrease the severity of symptoms. By restricting gluten in the diet, individuals can see a reduction in gastrointestinal symptoms, including edema, abdominal inflammation and pain, constipation, and irregular bowels. Other symptoms that can reduce with the absence of gluten in the diet include weight loss, fatigue, anemia, rashes, and healthy cognitive function. So why learn about celiac disease? Why is it so important? By learning the causes, the physiological changes, symptoms, and treatment of CD, practitioners can better understand and be more aware of the condition when working with clients. Autoimmune disorders are likely to be associated with other autoimmune disorders since the immune system is attacking the host. By the practitioner properly understanding the disease in depth, the client can take action to a treatment plan, eliminate gluten in the diet, alleviate discomfort and frustration from symptoms, as well as reduce the risk of developing related conditions in the future. Thank you for joining me on this journey to gain a greater understanding of celiac disease and its significance in the healthcare field.